Anxiety often feels like a racing engine that we just can't switch off. We live in a world full of constant noise. Yet, as the Buddha taught, peace comes from within, not from outside. Tonight, we explore a powerful secret used by Zen monks for centuries to quiet the restless mind and finally find deep rest, even when life feels like it's falling apart. Most of our suffering doesn't actually come from our situation, but from the stories our ego creates. We react to what Zen calls empty boats, situations where we assume harm or disaster, when in reality, life is simply flowing. To find peace, we must study the self. And to study the self is to forget the self. When we let go of the ego's need to defend, something changes. We begin to see life clearly, not as problems, but as moments flowing in the vast river of existence. Imagine a wise monk walking silently through a mountain forest, completely present, completely at peace. Suddenly, a roar shatters the silence. A tiger. It charges toward him. The monk runs, faster and faster, until he reaches the edge of a cliff. With no other choice, he grabs onto a vine and begins climbing down. But then he looks below. Another tiger, waiting. Now he's trapped. One tiger above, one tiger below. No escape. And in that moment of pure fear, he notices something small. A single red wild strawberry. He pauses. He reaches out, plucks it, and takes a bite. And suddenly, the fear disappears. The tigers disappear. The cliff disappears. There is only the sweetness of that moment. Even in danger, he finds peace. This story is a mirror of our lives. We all hang between two tigers, the past and the future. The tiger above is our past. Regrets, mistakes, pain, things we wish we could change, moments that are gone, yet still live in our mind. The tiger below is the future. Fear, anxiety, things that haven't even happened, but still disturb us. Our mind was designed to protect us, to scan for danger. But today, that same mind keeps us trapped because it pulls us away from the only moment that exists. This one, the Buddha taught. True peace comes when we stop chasing the past, and fearing the future. And simply live this moment fully. The strawberry is still there. Always. It represents the small joys hidden in every moment. It doesn't remove the tigers, but it changes your relationship with them. Your strawberry might be the warmth of sunlight, the sound of laughter, the taste of food, or simply your breath. These moments are always here, but we miss them because we are busy thinking. Zen calls this Ichigo Ichie. One time, one moment. A reminder that this moment will never come again. So when anxiety hits, remember this. The first arrow may hit you, but the second arrow is your choice. You don't have to suffer twice. Like the monk, you can still taste the sweetness. Even now, we suffer because we judge too quickly. This is bad. This is unfair. But life is always changing. The wise farmer, when faced with loss, simply said, maybe, because he understood what looks bad today may lead to something better tomorrow. This is equanimity, a calm, balanced mind that doesn't get shaken by every up and down. When you stop forcing life to be a certain way, you feel free. Tonight, before you sleep, ask yourself, what is my strawberry right now? Maybe it's the silence. Maybe it's your breath. Maybe it's this very moment. The tigers may still be there, but peace is also there. You are not your past. You are not your fears. You are the awareness, watching it all. As the Buddha said, everything that has a beginning has an ending. So let go. Let go of fear. Let go of control. And allow yourself to rest